And more than 1,200 people have now died in Indiana from COVID-19 at 180 different long-term care facilities. That means nursing homes make up nearly half, 49% of all the coronavirus deaths in Indiana, yet only 12% of all the COVID-19 cases in our state. And state leaders say they will soon release where those deaths and cases have happened. But as our Call 6 investigates, Kara Kenny found, one lawmaker says more needs to be done to protect everyone.
State government is creating a dashboard that has nursing home deaths and cases dating back to March 1st. But this data is only being released after Call 6 investigates and state lawmakers fought to get it released. One state lawmaker wants to make sure this type of battle never happens again. Long-term care facilities help our most vulnerable people. COVID-19 has been especially rough on people who live in nursing homes. The reality is we could face another wave of COVID-19 or another public health crisis. Senator Jean Breaux wants to make sure that the state publishes where people have died and where outbreaks are occurring.
We shouldn't have to fight for this. There needs to be something that shows that this is a more standardized process that occurs naturally, and that type of information is collected, is compiled, and is released regularly to families.
The state plans to publish the data 5 months after the pandemic began. Senator Breaux plans to file a bill to make sure these kinds of delays never happen again.
That's why I think legislation is a critical piece of this. So there needs to be some uniformity, an understanding that there's a central location for you to go to get this information, and then it's information that has been verified as accurate.
Some other states have stopped reporting data because their state's executive orders have expired. Breaux wants to make sure that Indiana keeps reporting COVID-19 deaths and cases at specific nursing homes and for other pandemics and health crises.
It's just not something we can relent upon. We have to stay relentless.
Since mid-April, Call 6 Investigates has been asking the state for nursing home deaths broken down by facility. We told you the stories of families with loved ones in nursing homes pushing for the data to be released. But it wasn't until July 1st that the state agreed to release the information.
Kara, thank you so much for helping to spread a spotlight on this. We really can't do it without the help of media.
The state is now in the process of compiling the data. The dashboard will be released later this summer. Reporting at the State House, Kara Kenny, RTV 6.
So far, the state has tested more than 40,000 nursing home staff members for coronavirus. State officials say many staff were excluded because they had already been tested or already positive. A total of 480 facilities were tested. The state will now work with the Regent Street Institute to analyze the data to figure out who needs testing moving forward and how often.